Okay, I'm wrapping up wiring on my bird of prey. Everything's looking good so far. I'm gonna set this up so that it'll be powered by a battery, 9 volt. But I will also be able to, at any point in the future thereafter, be able to do it with a plug-in power source too. Got plenty of spare wire running everywhere. So now let me shut off the overhead light. Got my battery. Let's see how this looks lit up. Get it clipped on. There we go. Nice. Not sure how well that is showing up, but it looks good from here. So let me get some ambient light. So there she is. I think she looks really good. I like that desert terrain. I like that the landing pads do actually hold the model up. So, there she is. Really liking this. Looks good. But obviously my little 9 volt that I've got out here, that I've had out here forever, is starting to die. Hence the floodlights turning down and so forth. Okay, so bird of prey kit. This is geez, how long have I been working on this one? I did the initial base coat of the paint back on Wednesday, I think, and just left everything to dry for a day. So all of this done in the last 3 days. Nice quick build. I think it looks great, and I'm going to be taking this one to my classroom also. Nice. Let me flip on the light again. So she's all ready to go. So I'd appreciate any comments and whatnot. Let me know what you think about it. Cool. Thanks, guys.